This mantra is Waheguru, 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 Wahegyo. And you'll say that 3 times the Waheguru and 1 Wahegyo. And the way you'll chant it is by inhaling as fully as you can. Get that full inhale, and then on the exhale, you're going to say that 8 times. And I'll count that by using my fingers with each of the rounds. So Waheguru, 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 Wahegyo, Waheguru, 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 Wahegyo. And we'll use these 8 fingers, okay? And so here's what it's going to look like, okay? So you'll inhale fully and then say it 8 times in one exhale. And this is what it looks like. Waheguru, 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 Wahegyo, 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 Waheguru, 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 Wahegyo. Yeah, and if you were to do this on your own, instead of going like this, you would just do it like this 8 times, right? So this is what it looks like. Waheguru, 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 Wahegyo, 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 Waheguru, 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 Wahegyo. Inhale, and then you're going to start that again. And so the trick is to say it as fast as possible so you can get 8 in one exhale. But slowly enough that you don't get tongue-tied. And 8 could be very tricky. And the first time always is like my ability, the first time I'm doing this, if I haven't done this in a while, is to figure out how to budget my breath, my exhale, so that I can get it all out, and my speed, because I was kind of running out of air right at the very end on that very last one when I did this. So, it takes the first couple of rounds to do that. Now, if you can't do 8, if you don't have the 8 in you to do, then you can cut it down to 6 or even 4. And then just build it up 4, and then do 5 rounds, do 6 rounds, and build it up to 8 rounds. Your eyes are closed and focused at the third eye point. And what this does is it's really great for increasing lung capacity and your pranic body, which is this body, your pranic body, the home, it resides right here, right next to your heart centers, right by your lungs. And that is, when that is strong and expanded, it means that you have a strong pranic body, which means the way you're going to feel that is that you're going to feel energy, okay? And it's not nervous energy, it's like real energy, sustained energy. And you're going to feel like, that life force, like you have life force. You're going to feel strong, you're going to feel hearty, you're going to feel supported, and you're going to feel that you have that vitality, and that's what that means, to have a strong pranic body. And in doing this and trying to expand it so that you have that the 8 Waheguru, Wahegyos in you, to be able to build that up, means that in order to do that, to get that out, you need to practice taking that full breath, that full complete breath, making sure that you take it down past your diaphragm. And then to be able to budget that exhale. And in budgeting that exhale, what that does is it helps you to have that balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide, that right balance. It is true that you have to have enough carbon dioxide in it, even though sometimes I think we think of that as a bad thing. You don't want to have too much, but you also don't want to have too little. Otherwise, what happens is you're going to feel more fatigued. You can get cramping in certain parts of your body. When you have the right balance, you get all the oxygen into every cell in your body, every tissue in your body. And so it's very important for you to have that. And so this will help with that. Okay, so let me just do a couple of rounds of that here with you, doing the 8 Waheguru Wahegyos. And remember that you can cut that down to 6 or 4 even. And we'll just do a couple here, but you can do this on your own. Start it at 1 minute. You can build it up to 3 or 5 minutes or even 11. All right, so let's just do this a couple of times, and we'll inhale to begin. Wahe guru, wahe guru, wahe guru, wahe jia, 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 wahe guru, wahe guru, wahe guru, wahe jia. Wahe guru, wahe guru, wahe guru, wahe jia, 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 wahe guru, wahe guru, wahe guru, wahe jia. Inhale. Hold. Pull root lock. Root lock is squeezing the pelvic floor in and up. It's like you're trying to hold the flow, stop the flow of pee. Move the energy throughout the body and exhale. And that's the meditation. And again, do it on your own for a minute and build it up to as long as you want. Okay, I would say up to 11. All right.